All right, guys, we got our first issue of the day, yo. There was supposed to be a package by 10 a.m. It's a big package. It was for, well, we'll talk about that after. But it's not here, man. So we're going to try to wait this out a little bit, but we cannot be late. All right, so my thought is that we go ahead and we try to mug a delivery driver. Maybe there's a delivery driver in the neighborhood with our package. This has to be like the longest shot of my life. All right, we've been sitting here just totally bummed out about the package that we really need for this video, and a FedEx driver just drove by. I'm literally gonna go up to this dude and I'm gonna ask him if he's got my package. I mean, I got my ID on me, whatever. Hopefully this works out. Boy, we are on you. I know that you got my package. I can feel it.
This is called the confidence pursuit.
Follow him until he stops. And the second he stops, I'm getting out.
We need that package, or else this shoot's a bust. So good on your head.
Where is it?
I had so much hope. It's FedEx Express.
Oh.
And they're FedEx Ground. They're completely different. So, all right, let's roll out. All this stuff here. It's top class. That package, this package.
Nah, don't worry. How you guys doing, man?
Good. How you doing, man?
I'm filming now.
You guys can find out, man.
Tell me the name of the school and a little bit about yourself, man.
Barber Academy of Orlando. A little bit about myself. I was born in Cali, Colombia, back in my early, 20s, back to Florida, and decided to open up a shop. Been a business owner of Barbers for the past about 20 years, and decided to open up a barber school, man, to teach these youngsters on how the game really is. It's not all about getting famous real quick. It's a process, and the time that you need to put into this industry to be successful in every aspect of what success is.
Absolutely, man. So the reason why I wanted to sit down with you was because we started this program called the Barber Tuition Initiative, which we've been working on pretty diligently for over a year. And the idea was through sponsors and YouTube generated contributions, we were able to accumulate enough money to try to maybe pay off somebody's tuition. But we didn't get that much bread. We hope to get more in the future, but we understand that you got a student who's kind of in need. It definitely could benefit from this. Tell us a little bit about her.
Okay, her name is Nina. Very, very driven, very hungry. Just now getting into the whole social media, doing reels and doing videos. So she's very dedicated on both ends, on becoming a barber, becoming a master barber, and getting those followers and blowing herself up,
What does she owe left?
I want to say she owes $1,500.
She owes $1,500?
$1,500, yeah.
Okay.
I mentioned that she started a GoFundMe page when she first started.
Right.
Or even before to enroll into Barber Academy. And they show love.
She's driven enough to have gone to that extent when a lot of people wouldn't have. A lot of people would have thought, there's no way someone would support me. But you'd be surprised, man, because people are out here and they will help you. I can't thank you enough. You put us up here in the Ritz-Carlton over here. I feel like a celebrity over here. So I appreciate it, man, and we're gonna be able to get it done, man. We're gonna be able to get it done. I was gonna say I was a little short on the cheese, but it sounds like she made a payment since last time. So we got just enough. So we got literally $1,763 in the account. That has all came from you guys, man. So shout out to you guys for the Barber Tuition Initiative. We asked for the price of a single haircut, and as an army, we could be strong and we could definitely put this together and we could do this. We could reach more people who are in need. And thanks to my friend Gus here, man. I really appreciate you for having me and coming over here, man. We're gonna go change your life real quick.
Yes.
You ready, man?
Yeah. I appreciate you guys.
All right, you guys, we're over here at Barber Academy Orlando, and we're about to make it happen. This is the first ever episode of the Barber Tuition Initiative. So we're gonna teach a class, and we're gonna get started right now. Let's go.
I want you guys to give a warm welcome to Mr. Ed.
Oh, I see you working with the ergos. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they work good.
Ergos. You like them?
Huh?
You like those?
Yeah. That's my main one.
That's good. You got an ergo too?
Yeah. Oh, that's definitely nice.
What about you? What you coming with, the ergo?
Ergo, man.
Ergo. Ergo around here. See that?
Yeah.
Game was strong.
So we decided to move over to this location because we had the space.
You got a lot of space here.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Yeah. Just blessed those guys with the Rebel, a trimmer that they're not even supposed to have, and I'm letting them use the Andis Profoil while we go in here and teach. So let's get started. Any fool can squeeze the scissor. All you guys can squeeze the scissor and make hair fall on the floor. So you're not struggling with shear cutting. You're struggling with fingers positioning it properly. Anybody know what this imaginary line is? All right, you guys, yo, I'm ready. I'm ready to bust a move, and we're gonna do it, man. I'm kind of nervous, man. I wonder how she's gonna react. Let's see if we go peel her out of the class real quick.
I feel a little more comfortable.
You feeling better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Listen, I gotta ask you something.
Yes.
Can I ask you a couple questions about the class for the YouTube channel?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
You gonna post this on your YouTube?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my God!
I think so.
Oh, so this is so dope, bro.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I'll definitely put your page or whatever you want.
I appreciate
I'll put it down. How'd you think I did in the class?
I think you did a good job. I mean, I think it was real thorough as far as like the explanation went in regards to the fading technique.
Right.
And what guards that you actually need to use and how to fade from the top going down.
Yeah. So what are your biggest struggles so far learning how to cut hair?
I think one of the biggest struggles is what we're actually working on today, which you're kind of going over with us, which is the shearing work.
Right.
And how to hold the shears, and how to learn how to find your guide, because that was probably my biggest issue, is trying to figure out where your guide is when you're cutting.
I've worked at a barber school before. I was an instructor for about 10 years. And I've seen a lot of students, come and go. I've seen a lot of people drop out and due to the financial burden and whatnot. So I got some news for you. I wasn't here to teach this class or anything.
You weren't? Why?
I was here to let you know that I paid off your barber tuition in full.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Guys, are you serious? I'm about to cry. Are you serious? No, you didn't.
I did. You no longer owe any more money to the school. All you got to do is you just got to focus on getting through and being done, and you can go out into the world and you're good to go.
Make sure that I can take care of. I really appreciate you for doing that for me.
Ah, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. I'm so glad I could help you out.
Thank you so much.
But we got one more surprise.
Oh no.
Did you grab the boxes?
Al's got the boxes.
All right, come on. We're gonna go over that. We got we got a little bit more. You're gonna help us with a surprise.
Really?
Yeah, the surprises. All right, keep it together because they can't know yet. They can't know yet. All right, you come here real quick. I want to show you something. Before we go back in there, we got a couple other little gifts for you. Now, these are from Shear Police, and they hooked it up, and they got you a couple of different things here. But mainly, the thing that you're going to be most happy about is they got you two of their top tier shears.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
And they gave you guys really nice case so that you can keep all your stuff in here, keep it all safe, and bam. So you got a nice pair of texturizing shears.
So neat.
Check out them shears, they're 7 inches.
Ah, for my small fingers.
All the best. Happy cutting from Shear Police right there.
I appreciate you so much. I appreciate the Shear Police.
Look at that.
That's really nice.
But yo, there's one more thing you gotta help us with though. I also got them all shears. Shear Police donated. I'm also gonna give them some more stuff. I'll tell them when we get in there.
Hey y'all, guess what? What? He's gonna tell you.
All right.
He's gonna tell you.
She can tell you about what just happened. And then,
All right, y'all. So Eddie, which I really appreciate him very much for coming here and showing us how to do everything. We actually had a little bit of an interview out there. I'm a little bit nervous, and I know I'm always over running my mouth, but he actually paid off my tuition for the rest of school. Thank you. And he's also provided me some shears in which I can use it from Shear Police. So.
and we got something for everybody else too. So come on up here and get y'all shears. Everybody got a pair of shears. How many are there? Let's see.
I just wanna tell you that.
If there's not, we'll give them to you. You got one? All right. All right, 614 Barber Supply is another sponsor that donated pretty heavily. They gave you guys all a $25 gift card, and I don't know what else. So we're gonna figure out what else is in here. And then also Gamma wanted to give you guys a hitter and an Uno, all right? And I stayed home and showed up here late waiting for it to come in, and it did not come in, but I'm gonna ship it to you guys, and you guys are gonna get the Uno and the hitter. So everybody here is gonna get one of those machines. There might be something else in there. I didn't even see the box yet, and I wanted to open it on camera, so I didn't do it. So, all right, let's go. We got some fade brushes, we got some keys, and we got some combs. Come get you some of these. If you need one of these, grab them. So if you guys buy anything from 614, you guys can use the code Eddie, but you won't be able to use the code when you use this gift card. It's already on there, so come get your gift cards too. Here, oops, sorry. There you go. Yep. Gift card. Get your gift cards. Right chair. There we go. There we go. You get a gift card? All right. You get a gift card? Come on. There you go. All right, I want to thank you guys for having me, man. It was awesome to come here and do this blessing and everything. And I don't want you guys to feel like this came from me only. This came from all my subscribers and all the people that have helped along the way. We ask you that you donate the price of a single haircut so that we can do more good stuff like this for good people, and we can get around to more schools and help these people. So thank you so much to 614 Barber Supply. Thank you to Gamma, and thank you to Shear Police for that huge, incredible gift to give everybody here a pair of shears, man. You really rock, and I really appreciate you. It was super nice meeting you all. I'm gonna get up out of here. Only last thing I'm gonna say is every barber who goes to barber school eventually hits this slump. Everybody kind of, you start out with all this like energy, and then you realize like this is hard work. If it was easy, everybody would do it. If it was easy, everybody would be a barber. There's only 14,800 barbers in the United States who are licensed, and that's not very many when you compare it to 330 million Americans. So the fact that you guys are in this and pushing through, don't lose that spark, and always keep your mind open to learn. You can learn from him, you can learn from him, you can learn from her. Each time you complete something that was really difficult for you, that was my motivation. Like first time I did a fade that I felt was good, something that I felt like, wow, this is something I haven't done before. I was like, man, I want to do more. That was the type of stuff. So just keep working, keep looking for those little victories, and celebrate them. It feels like it's forever, but trust me, it ain't, man. One day you guys will be 20 years gone from here, and you'll never think about it again, and you'll think, wow, that was nothing. I almost missed those days. Just enjoy the struggle, and look forward to it, embrace it. If you can embrace the suck, then nothing else is gonna ever suck. So, all right, you guys, nice meeting you all.
All right, you guys, so for more information on how you can get involved, in this worthy cause, the link to donate is down below to the fundraiser. Now, it took us almost a year to accumulate $1,763 after fees, and that's with one subscriber donating $1,000 and several donating more than $200. So I feel like that's pretty terrible, and I feel like we can do better. So if you guys want to help out, go down below. Also, if you're a sponsor and you want to get involved, please reach out to my email address. I'm going to put it right here, and we can talk about how you can become involved. And huge shout out to 614 Barber Supply, Gamma, and Shear Police for hooking all these people up with everything they got. All right? I love you all, man, and I hope this is the start of something new, but it can't be without your help. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
For those of you who don't know, this is Angry Al, the driver. He just got mad at a family. He said, look at this family full of assholes.
I actually say family
I
of
wish
assholes.
I had a dash cam.
I actually said verbatim, look at this family of assholes.
Dash cam coming soon. Dash cam coming soon.
We need a dash cam. Real fancy bead spray bottle.